Alright, so we're looking at the different parts of a quadratic today. So first piece of vocab up there is just a quadratic function. A quadratic function is just anything with an x squared in it. The shape of the graph, the kind of U-shaped graph, can either open up or open down. Didn't even make it open down. Or open down is the parabola. Okay, so if I'm looking at this as a graph, this right here would be my vertex. So the vertex is a maximum or minimum depending on where it's opening. Okay, so here would be my vertex. Okay, the zeros or x-intercepts would be these points right here. Those are my zeros. Or x-intercepts, it's where it crosses the x-axis. And then the axis of symmetry so if this is my vertex, then this dotted line right here would be my axis of symmetry. So axis of symmetry is significant because, I know my picture's not very good, but because this side of the parabola should mirror or be symmetrical to this side of the parabola. So this unit, or this lesson is all about just identifying stuff, okay? So if I were to put it all together here, let's look down here on our graph. Okay, so I have, this is my vertex. Okay, these points right here are my zeros. Okay, this is my axis of symmetry. And then we have one other thing that we didn't talk about, but you may need it. This is the y-intercept. Okay, and you guys all know what a y-intercept is. It's where the graph crosses the y-axis. Just so you know, that is a 0 as well. Okay, so those are all the parts of the parabola of the graphed quadratic. So now let's go ahead and identify them down here on these two. Try these examples. Okay. So I would say go ahead and pause the video, try these number 1 and 2, and then go ahead and unpause when you are ready for me. Okay, so try these 1 and 2. So first I need the ordered pair of the vertex. That would be this ordered pair down here. Looks like I have to go left 1 and up 1, so negative 1, comma 1. It is a minimum, right, because it's the bottom. Then I want the equation of the axis of symmetry. So for an equation of the axis of symmetry, it's always x equals and then the number. So the x value of this axis of symmetry right here, the x value is negative 1, so it's just x equals negative 1. So that's part C. And then D, the ordered pairs of the zeros. In this particular graph, it doesn't cross the x-axis at all, so there are none. Okay. Number 2. So first I need the axis of symmetry. Or excuse me, first I need the vertex. So that would be over 3 up 4. So 3, comma 4. It is a maximum. And then I need the equation of the axis of symmetry. Oops. So the axis of symmetry, remember, is the line that goes through the vertex. And it's always an x value. So x equals, let's see, it's over 3. What's wrong with my iPad? X equals 3, there we go. And then the ordered pair for the zeros would be these 2 points right here. So it looks like it's over 1, up none, and over 5, up none. So 1, 0, 5, 0. And that's it.